absolutely no say over this project because it ruins Tibetan people's culture. It will destroy their health, water contamination, it will destroy their land. And
I hear your point. I'm just wondering, is this the right way to make your message heard by disrupting this talk here today?
Because this is a very rare opportunity that we're getting, and as a member of this Students for Free Tibet and as a Tibetan, and most importantly as a student of this university, I urge all my fellow classmates and fellow schoolmates not to invest in this project. It involves a lot of destruction to Tibetans who live inside Tibet. These nomads will be dislocated if they were forced to leave their places and not live the way they want to live.
Aren't you just disrupting everyone? Didn't everybody just want to hear this?
No, I think people need to know what this project is going to
is like killing a lot of people, there's a lot of landslides, and it's creating so much chaos.
What are you doing here?
Okay.
Security!
And so we're here to stop them.
Okay, and are you
But you're just
Tibetan?
young students.
Yes.
Why do you care about this?
Okay, and are you a student? Are you a student here? Do you have anything else you'd like to say?
Earth and a concerned citizen of this university. I want to encourage all my university.
Okay, great.
I'm Namadal Tata and I'm part of Students for Free Tibet, and basically we take China is telling us that mining is good. Well, when in reality it's going for
This is not.
it's causing health hazards, and there's landslides, and basically causing families and stuff to relocate. And
Is that your press release?
huh?
Is that a press release? Could I have your press release? Oh, thank you.
No, this.
Thank you. Do you agree with their message?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it's Tibetan land, and I think Tibetans should get a say in Tibetan land because they're Tibetans.
Okay. And are you Tibetan?
Yes,
And why are you here at this training?
because I am Tibetan, and I think we deserve our land.
Cool. Thank you. And do you agree with their protest?
Yeah, I agree.
And why do you agree?
Because I used to stand up for my country, and that's even important with us.
Okay. Thank you. And are you from Boston?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, we took this action because we believe that he is a liar. He's spreading China's propaganda, trying to exploit Tibet's resources, bringing it to our campus, and trying to tell us to invest in their.
Stop mining in Tibet!
Yeah. No. Keep going. Keep going.
And we want to make sure the whole campus community knows that this man is not a respectable man. This project has blood on it. The Tibetan people's lives and the Tibetan people's livelihoods are in jeopardy.
Okay.
And they have no say in what goes on in these projects, how these projects are run. They have no benefit.
Okay. And have you tried to send this message to the board of directors directly? Have you spoken with them?
Yeah, yes, we've dropped off packages in each of their homes and offices.
Oh, great.
Explaining them about the whole, more than what these guys saying, the real truth about what goes behind these mining projects, what they mean for the Tibetan people, and the Tibetan people's real desires and wishes.
Okay.
And we hope that the board will make the right decision.
Okay. Great. Thank you. What do you think about this protest that just happened?
I was caught off guard by it, but they seem to be making a good point. I feel like after listening to what they were saying, I feel like China is exploiting Tibetans and their land and their resources.
Yeah.
So I kind of agree with them, so I want to learn more.
Okay, great. Thank you. And how about you? Are you part of this
Yes.
group
I was,
here on campus?
Yeah, I was a demonstrator
Okay, and why did you demonstrate today?
because China is using its power as a dictator to manipulate the land and people of Tibet. As a Tibetan and as a human being, I cannot stand when dictatorships and governments abuse their power. They use their statement of equality. They say that they're going to give everyone equal rights, but obviously that's not the case. People are dying in Tibet because of the pollution caused by mining and so on. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Part of this protest here today?
Yes,
Can you tell us why you took part in this action?
It's because the Tibetans in Tibet have no say in it. The Chinese government that came right now, he said that the Tibetans agreed to it, but the Tibetans did not agree to these minings. They actually protested last year, and there were about the Chinese authorities shot at them and took away many to sentence them to life in prison.
Wow.
So I do not think that they agree. Do you think that they agree?
My name is Willem, and I'm from the SFT chapter at UMass Amherst, representing part of the Five College area, and we're here at UMass Boston at the SFT Regional Conference. This is my third year here, third year at the Eastern Regional Conference, and every time I come here, it's inspiring to see the new faces and the old faces, and it just gives me hope, and it revitalizes me and rejuvenates why I'm here for Tibet. And you know, as part of the youth, we have to play a major role in supporting the Tibetan people inside Tibet and doing whatever we can to help them in a struggle that they can't help themselves.